Hello everyone, welcome to another Kurdish class. For today we are going to know how to ask someone's age, how old they are. Okay, so it's gonna be like part of introducing videos. We already have two videos about how to introduce yourself, to how ask about the names, or how to respond, and also how to ask about where are you from and where are you living. For today we are going to explain how to say your age in Kurdish, and it's gonna be the last thing, which is an introduce sentence. You say how to say nice to meet them, or how that you are happy to meet some people for the first time. So in this video we are just going to explain these two things only. Okay, if you say how old are you, so in Kurdish gonna be tamanet chanda. Okay, taman in Kurdish, in English means age. So taman, it means age. Okay, tamanet, your age. Okay, tamanet chanda. Chanda is mean like how old, chanda. Okay, and so you say tamanet chanda. So now we are going to know how to respond this question in Kurdish. Okay, for example, you are 20 years old and you say I am 20 years old. You'll say bisalam. Beast means 20. Bisalam, or you can say tamanim bisala. Sala. So sal means year. Sal means year. So you can say bisalam, or you can say tamanim bisala. Tamanim bisala. Or you are 10, for example. Tamanim dasala. You can say tamanim bistu yek sala, which means 21. Okay, you can we will have a video about the numbers, how to say numbers in the future. So you can say tamanim bisala, or you can say if you are 30 you are gonna say sisalam or tamanim sisala. Okay, so we know how to ask about the names and where they're from and where they're living and how old they are. So now it's time to say nice to meet you. Okay, so hosh halam benasinet. Okay, hosh halam benasinet. Hosh halam benasinet. So hosh here means nice, halam benasinet, which means to meet you. And as we said, the T is referring to you always. So try to practice these words together. Hosh halam benasinet. And we have sound he, and actually this sound in English is not, we don't have it, but in Arabic and Kurdish we have sound he, but we write it in edge, which is sound he in English. So hosh halam benasinet. So many people have a difficulty to pronounce he because it's not they didn't pronounce this sound before. So hosh halam benasinet. Hosh halam benasinet. And so if you say me too, it's gonna be minish herwaha. You can repeat the sentence. Minish hosh halam benasinet. Look, you can make sentence. Me too means minish herwaha, but you can add me too or na minish. How to say nice to meet you too? You are going to say minish hosh halam benasinet. Minish hosh halam benasinet. So for today we learned how to ask about the age and how to respond in in 2 ways, and how to say nice to meet you, and also we discussed meet you, just mini sharwaha, and minish خوشحالم بناسين. This is another way to say it. Okay, so I hope you practice these things, and I'm sure that if you practice, you are going to pronounce the word as it is, as we are Kurdish we pronounce. Okay, so see you in the next videos.